Hey, what's up? It's Eoghan Golf Carts. Today we're going to show you how to change your speaker lighting. So when you turn on your cart, you should see this emblem on your screen. You just touch it and it changes the front color of your speakers to the ones available and cool, and this one changes with like your music. If you want to change the back color on your speakers, you press on this and hold down and you'll have red, green, yellow, and all those. But you have to hold down on it for a minute and you can see the change from back to front. Keep in mind, this is for 2024 carts and newer. If you're having problems not being able to switch, try toggling that. And yeah.